What's up, Kutt family? Are you ready to transform your cycling experience with some absolutely incredible gadgets? Today, I'm showing you the top 5 essential bike accessories that every cyclist needs to see. These aren't just regular upgrades, these are game changers that you can grab right now on Amazon. Stick around until the end because number 1 is going to absolutely blow your mind.
Coming in at number 5, we've got the HOTO mini bike tire pump. Don't let the compact size fool you. This little beast is absolutely packed with smart tech. What I love about this pump is how incredibly user-friendly it is, thanks to its genius flip-to-start design and that sweet 360-degree rotating hose that makes connecting to your bike valve completely effortless. Here's where it gets really cool. It has this memory function that actually remembers your last 2 pressure settings. Performance-wise, this compact powerhouse can pump a 700 by 23C road bike tire from 80 to 100 PSI in just 25 seconds flat. With automatic shutoff system powered by high-precision sensors, you get complete peace of mind every single time. At number 4, we have the ROCKBROS Classic Bicycle Bell. When it comes to road safety, being heard is just as crucial as being seen, and this bell absolutely delivers. Crafted from premium brass with an internal collision system, this bell delivers that perfect crisp ding that lasts just long enough to alert everyone around you. Installation couldn't be simpler, and it fits virtually any bike with handlebars between 22.2 and 31.8 millimeters. The combination of brass, nylon, and silicone ensures incredible durability while resisting rust and wear. Number 3 is the Lamicall Bike Frameback, the perfect solution for keeping your essentials within arm's reach. One of its standout features is the lightning-fast installation process. Simply mount the clamp, then rotate the back 90 degrees to attach or remove it. It includes this awesome touch-sensitive phone holder that lets you use your device on the go, plus 1.3 liters of storage for your phone, wallet, keys, or charger. With weather protection and impact-resistant materials, you're getting way more value than expected. Taking the number 2 spot is the Uppel bike speaker and phone holder. Such a cool combo that brings entertainment, safety, and convenience into one sleek package. This bad boy rocks a built-in 5-watt Bluetooth speaker with surprisingly crisp audio quality, plus a rock-solid phone mount with patented clamp design. For night rides, it packs a bright LED headlight and a 120 decibel mini horn. At only 330 grams, it's an incredibly neat package that transforms your riding experience. And our number 1 pick, the absolute game changer, is the Garmin Varia RTL 515. Guys, this is next level cycling technology. This beast features rear-view radar that detects approaching vehicles from up to 190 meters away, covering a 220-degree angle with both visual and audio alerts. It also packs a powerful 65-lumen taillight visible from over a mile away, with 16 hours of battery life and USB-C charging. This is the kind of technology that doesn't just upgrade your ride, it could literally save your life. That wraps up our top 5 essential bike gadgets. Which one caught your attention the most? Let me know in the comments below. If this helped you discover some amazing upgrades, smash that like button and hit subscribe for more awesome tech content. Part 2 of this series is coming soon with 5 more incredible gadgets. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.